can pick up the perfect frequency for itself from the sounds that emanate from the gongs and train to those sounds and fall into a beautiful space of balance.
Amazing. I can actually feel the vibration in the room.
Yes. And if you do it, anybody can do it. You will feel the vibration all through your arm and into your body as well.
I can already feel goosebumps.
Yes. Many people tear up when they just see this.
Yeah. And what's the speciality of the rose in it?
The rose has its own story.
Let's listen to it.
So during the initial sessions that I was doing in one of the centers, this local lady, she woke up and she was like, Zarina. And I'm like, yes, darling. She's like, I have a message for you. I said, yes, please share with me. She's like, we want you to put a rose in the water bowl. I don't know who she meant by we, but yes, I said, oh, that's such a beautiful message. I was not putting a rose then. And so after that, every single session, I have been taking a rose. And it just makes it look so much prettier.
And I can also smell it if I'm
really?
not mistaken.
That's amazing.
I can definitely smell.
Okay, thank you for sharing that.
The beautiful rose,
Yes.
absolutely.
Yes, that's the first time somebody's told me that, but I guess because you're close.
Maybe, yeah, absolutely. So,
And very sensitive.
and very sensitive, yes, sensitive to energy for sure, because I still have goosebumps.
Bless you.
Okay, so you do sound and gong meditation.
That's right.
So meditation in itself, it's so difficult for generations, like for our generation.
True.
Meditation is such a difficult task for generations,
Yes.
and especially our generation,
Yes.
because our mind just wanders.
Yes.
How can we develop the art of meditation?
So when people come to my session, I often joke that it's the easiest way to meditate because they come in, they lie down, we give them a blanket, we give them an eye mask, and they just have to rest.
Right.
So they don't have their phones with them. It's like 1 hour of nothing but the meditation. And we don't ask you to fight your thoughts. That's another thing that's different for a sound meditation. You're free to think, you can plan your day, if you are able to, and that's the beauty of it. Because once the sound starts, people wake up and say, I don't know where I was. I feel like 10 minutes have only passed. It actually messes with time because time, as we know, is not linear.
Right.
So people feel that it just goes so quickly. And this is the only time that the body can move deeper and deeper into rest and relaxation. So the amazing thing is sometimes when people wake up and they have worn a Fitbit, they will show me their sleep pattern for that 1.25